Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss the application of the analytical hierarchy process AHP in the multi-criteria election of the selection of the cranes. This paper is published in the Jordan Journal of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering. Due to central roles of the cranes in the construction operation, specialists in the construction industry have cooperated in the development of the structure method and software to help select the best crane type in the construction site. Crane selection is the time-consuming process which needs extensive data exploitation. Metrology few systems have been developed to aid in selecting cranes and in their setting their lifts. This system, although may have rich databases, they lack the support of knowledge-based decision making. The process of the cross selection is a multi-criteria decision making problem with the conflicting and the diverse objective. In this work, a systematic methodology is presented under the consideration of the multi-factor and objective that were witnessed to be crucial to the construction process. The model includes building an analytical hierarchy structure with a tree hierarchical criteria and alternatives to each the decision making. The alternative cranes types were considered, namely tower, derrick, and mobile cranes. Analytical hierarchy process was used to assist in building the model and help the draw decisions. While deploying the crane selection objectives into the layered sub-goals, conclusion could be drawn on the type of used in the construction according to the knowledge-based evaluation and the assessment. Expert choice software is used to conduct the experiment assessment. The judgment were found to be the consistent, precise, and justifiable with narrow marginal inconsistency value. The paper also presents a thorough sensitivity analysis to demonstrate the confidence in the draw conclusion. The keywords are the analytical hierarchy process, multi-criteria decision making, expert choice, cranes, and construction. The cranes are considered to be one of the most important equipment used in the construction due to their key role in performing lifting tasks all over the construction site. The scale of the investment in choosing a crane emphasizes the importance of the crane selection process. Thus, careful attention to such selection should be constructed owing to the huge price that may be paid in case of the mistakes. Numerous factors may be considered when thinking about the best crane to use in a construction site, such as the factors that affect stability, capacity, and the proper setup. Besides the weight, the dimension, the lift radii, the type of the lifting to be done, serviceability of the equipment, as well as the site conditions are considered to be crucial in the crane operation, which may affect and complicate the judgment. Practitioners recommend to have the capability of making all the crane lift in their standard configuration. Customized configuration are not preferred due to the time required in the installation and knowing the lifting margin. Close attention should also be paid to the site review and the crane setup, such as the job site conditions, including the supporting surface, soil condition, access and stability, the working area, as well as assembly hazards that may entail lattice boom assembly, disassembly, and the leveling the crane. Plenty of the crane models are available in different shapes and the sizes, though they usually fall into three categories: derrick cranes, mobile cranes, and the tower cranes. Few studies exist on the crane selection, such a problem compared to the scale use and importance. Most of these studies have been conducted using the database system in order to select the most appropriate crane for the construction. Few existing applications that use knowledge-based system have been published, namely cranes, look crane, and selecting crane. Gray little printed crane as a basis of the knowledge-based system designed to configure cranes according to the site condition. It evaluates the least cost option to the selected cranes, optimized techniques. The solution crane is restricted to large buildings which require the coordination of the more than one crane. Another knowledge-based system called the look crane was developed to assist the construction planner in the selecting and locating the construction site. The system asks the user to input all the information related to the building geometry and the possible application of the proposed grant. After all the needed information is entered, the system outputs the most appropriate alternative from the set of the available grants. SelectGrant is another knowledge-based expert system which was developed to assist the contractor in selecting the type and then configuration of the best grant. The user provides the system with the expected weight, dimension, lift, radii, heaviest load, wind speed, and the rental charge and other project information. The done SelectGrant will then provide the user with the recommended type of the crane. Geometrical databases have been built to help in the task schedule. Propose the interesting number of features have been entitled, such as a relational database designed to store the crane's geometry relative variable. Fuzzy logic and neural based algorithm have been implemented to get the solution for the such problem too. In addition, some optimization techniques were studied to model such problem. However, most of these techniques rely on the geometrical constant related to the physical site condition while disregarding the importance of the different factors comprehended previously. Regarding the crane software, a number of computer systems have been developed for the crane selection process. Most of these systems depend on database-driven system with less intelligence in the making decision selection. Recently, trends have been focused towards multi-criteria decision making, such as the analytical hierarchy process. Analytical hierarchy process help capture both subjective and objective assessment measures of the alternative options available, thus reducing bias in the decision making. ASP was not used on the extent of the crane selection. Rather, the few studies that implemented the ASP were held to determine the most suitable equipment and material used in the construction. The paper is organized as follows. The subsequent section explains the analytical hierarchy process. Next, in the section 3, the ASP crane selection model is illustrated. Later in section 4, a sensitivity analysis is presented, followed by the conclusion in the section 5. Analytical hierarchy process. In this work, ASP used to find the most suitable crane in the construction process. ASP is a widely used multi-criteria decision-making tool, unlike the conventional method. ASP uses pair work comparison with allow verbal judgments and enhances the precision of the results. The pair-wise comparison were used to drive the accurate ratio and the skill priority. Developed by the Thomas Sethi, ASP provides a proven, effective means to deal with the complex decision making and can assist in identifying and weighing criteria, analyzing the data collected, and expediting the decision making process. ASP helps capture both subjective and the objective evaluation measures, providing a useful mechanism for checking the consistency of the evaluation, thus reducing the bias in the decision making. When making complex decisions involving multi-criteria, the first step is to decompose the main goal into the constituent sub-goals, or sometimes called objective, progressing from the general to the specific. In this simplest form, this structure comprises a goal, criteria, or objective and alternative levels. Each set of the criteria would then be further divided into an appropriate level of the detail, recognizing that the more criteria included, the less important such individual criterion may be listed in the figure 1. The main goal is there, objective is there, and the alternative is there. Alternative J-1, J, ASP hierarchy of the goal, objective, and alternative are defined in this figure. Generally, the main goal is laid on the top hierarchy with the decision alternative at the bottom. Between the top and bottom level, decide attributes of the decision problem of the decision. Next, relative weights to each item in the corresponding level are assigned. Each criterion and the local with a goal priority. The sum of the all criterion beneath a given criterion, each of the model must equal 1. The global priority alternatives relative importance within the overall matter. After the criteria factors are identified, scoring of the each level with respect to its parent is carried out using a relative relational base. Comparing the choice, relative scores of the each choice are computed within each leap and the hierarchy. Scores are then synthesized through the model, yielding a composite score for each choice at the every level as well an overall score. The relative scoring within the each level will be result in a matrix score of the say Aij. The matrix holds the expert judgment of the pair-wise comparison. However, the judgment should be consistent. Therefore, inconsistency test is required to validate the expert knowledge. The inconsistency measure is useful for identifying the possible errors in the judgment data enter as well as the actual inconsistency is the judgment themselves. Inconsistency measure the logical inconsistency of the expert judgment. For example, if you were say to A is more important than B, B is more important than C, then the C is more important than they. We are not being consistent. A is somewhat less inconsistency situation, right? If we should say A is 3 times more important than B, then B is 2 times more important than C, then the C is more important than A. In general, inconsistency ratio should be less than 0.1. So to be considered reasonably constant, particularly a matrix Aij said to be consistent if all elements follow transitivity and reciprocity rules below. Aij, Aik minus Akj. Aij equal to 1 by Aj, where Ijk are the any alternatives of the matrix. For instance, if you feel that Aij is the 3 times more important than B, then B should be 1.3 times more important than. The rational scale used in the ranking is presented in the table 1. Score 1, 2, 3 and the relative importance objective Ij are of the equal importance. This is the pairwise comparison represented in the here, where A is the comparison matrix, W is the eigenvector, N is the dimension of the matrix. The equation can be treated in the eigenvalue problem from the slightly inconsistent matrix. Eigenvalue are the only slightly proved by the set demonstrated for the consistent reciprocal matrix. The eigenvalue is equal to the comparison. Lambda x is the n. They have the measure of the consistency called the consistency index deviation from the degree of the following formula. Ci lambda x minus n divided by n minus 1. Knowing the consistency thus, now the equation have to be the index again shown proposed to be the index comparing by it. This is the here proposed by the consistency index comparison between consistency index and random consistency test in the formula. If the value of the consistency ratio is small or equal to 10%, the inconsistency is acceptable. After alternative, if the consistency ratio is greater than 10%, the subjective judgment should be refined. And ASP process based on the Crane selection method. Crane selection is a time-consuming process that requires extensive data management. Most of the present systems have a good database. They are the efficient.